In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple and effective way to extract text from images using Google Keep. This useful feature can save you time and effort, whether you need to capture information from a screenshot, a photograph of a document, or any image containing text. It's a feature that's right at your fingertips if you know where to look. Let's dive into the process and learn how to do it seamlessly. First, you'll want to head over to Google Keep. If you haven't used Google Keep before, it's a handy note-taking service that integrates nicely with other Google tools, making it a versatile choice for organizing your thoughts, ideas, and yes, even extracting text from images. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. In the upper right corner, you'll see a grid of 9 small squares, which serves as the gateway to all your Google apps. Clicking on this grid will reveal a drop-down menu of available apps. Look for and click on the icon labeled Keep. This will take you directly to your Google Keep dashboard, where you'll see all your notes. Once you're in Google Keep, the next step is to locate the specific note that contains the image you want to extract text from. Your notes are likely organized on your main dashboard. Scroll through your collection of notes until you identify the one with the image whose text you need. If you have many notes, you can use the search function at the top to narrow down your options by keywords. After finding the note containing your desired image, click to open it. You'll notice Google Keep has a straightforward interface, which makes navigating through your options quite simple. Now direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. Here you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is a menu that holds several additional options for managing your note. Clicking on these dots will bring up a small context menu with different actions you can take. From this menu, look for the option that says Grab Image Text. Click on it, and Google Keep will automatically process the image to extract any detectable text. It's almost like watching magic happen before your eyes as Google uses its powerful tech to recognize the text in your image. The extracted text will appear as a new note within the same document, allowing you to edit, organize, or simply read through it as you wish. And that's it. You've now successfully used Google Keep to pull text from an image. This feature can be incredibly handy for students, professionals, or anyone who regularly works with text embedded in images. Whether you're compiling research or simply pulling out information from a photographed whiteboard, you've now got the skills to do it effectively. I hope this guide was helpful and you're now inspired to use Google Keep in new and exciting ways to streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy note keeping.